If you're searching for an HVAC contractor in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, Bob Boldt HVAC is an excellent option. They are renowned for offering a comprehensive range of HVAC services, such as air quality system installations, furnace maintenance, and heating and air conditioning repairs. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What is the HVAC contract? An HVAC contract is a legal agreement between a customer and an HVAC contractor, like Bob Boldt HVAC in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, detailing the scope of services, pricing, and duties connected to the installation, repair, or maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. What does the HVAC do? An HVAC contractor like Bob Boldt HVAC in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044 specializes in offering a range of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services to ensure interior comfort for homes and businesses. They handle anything from installing new HVAC systems, including furnaces, air conditioners, and humidifiers, to performing maintenance and repairs on existing systems. Where is your service area? Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prior Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield are among the communities that Bob Boldt HVAC is happy to serve. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Rd Suite 200, Eagan, MN 55121, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website, https://.bobboldt.com/.